Hey, I'm Dorian, joined by my wife and celebrity menswear stylist Ashley P. Weston.
Hello.
Guys, so today we're talking about the 3 best weekender bags of 2019. It's time for an update.
Yes,
it's summertime, you're traveling, you're heading out of the town. So we're gonna go over some of our absolute favorites this year. Let's get into it.
So just like we talked about in our briefcase / messenger bag video, it's really important that you have a weekender bag that is stylish, streamlined, and also obviously has the utilitarian aspects to it.
Yeah, I hope you're going to be using it. Like we say, everything you carry with you or put on your body sends a message to the outside world. Obviously, you want your bags to kind of imbue that same personality. So that's why we're going to go over these 3 bags, plus we're going to add a couple bonus extras that just maybe missed the cut, but you guys still might like them. So we're going to include them in our article, linked in the description below. Make sure you do not miss them. So now let's officially get into it.
So first up, we've got this weekender bag by Stewart Loud.
They're a great company. They had really great briefcases. You might recognize them from our briefcase video that we just recently did, linked in the description below. So Ash, we love this color combination because, right?
It's just a really classic weekender kind of color combo. I love a good brown and blue color combination. Super classic, timeless.
Not a lot of brands make this color combination that are quality. But I specifically love the full grain leather, nice accents. The nylon waterproof exterior, really nice bag, for sure.
Super streamlined design, no logos anywhere,
Wonderful.
which is great.
Yep, it's actually on the zipper, which I thought was a really nice detail. The top of the zipper, you can see that. But it's really well done. The inside, kind of no frills. There's nothing ridiculous inside. It's lined, which is really nice to have. And I think the overall just general aesthetics of it, plus the different color combinations, I love this one the most.
Me too.
My other favorite is their olive color with black leather. Ooh, that looks really nice. One small issue that we have, but it's really not a big one. It's just really nitpicky. And Ash, flip up the bottom. What's on that bottom?
We hate metal feet.
It's not the end of the world, as we discussed in our other briefcase video as well. Not the end of the world. It's just one small thing that we just feel it has the potential to scratch stuff.
Yeah, it's a very minor detail.
It's a personal preference. And the other thing that we really love about this bag is what, Ashley?
Shoulder strap. Leather shoulder strap, though.
Full leather shoulder strap. It's not nylon. It's not random leather backed by nylon. It's just full-on leather that is always the mark of a quality item, we think.
Of course.
Absolutely. So guys, you should definitely check it out. We'll link it in the description below in our article because it is absolutely worth having. If you're into like that kind of mixed material, nylon and leather look, absolutely check it out, and they have great color combinations as well. And Ash, what do we have up next here?
We've got this one by Everlane.
Yeah, it's their weekender, and it's really nice. We featured a previous version in our last video that we did a couple years ago. We like it because it's really budget friendly. It's made of a waterproof cotton on the outside, and is just really kind of no frills. That's kind of the mark of Everlane. It just has one
leather straps right here.
Yeah, and it doesn't have a shoulder strap, but these are long enough that they will definitely
very easy,
as you can see.
There you go.
Yeah, it definitely works as a shoulder straps as well. It has one exterior pocket, that's it, so it's nice and clean. That logo is actually just a button. You can
just a pin.
A pin, sorry, pin. You can completely pull it off. And I think for the price, it's really hard to beat. Yeah. It's a little smaller than other weekenders. It kind of tapers near the top, so if you're looking for something to maximize the size of a carry-on bag, probably not going to be your best bet, but again, for the price, really hard to beat.
Yeah.
One caveat, do it, Ash.
What is up with everyone putting metal feet at the bottom?
I don't understand. They didn't do this in their previous version, but now they did. Again, it's one of our small things that we don't particularly like, but it's not a deal breaker, not the end of the world. Inside, very basic, one pocket, not lined, just, I mean, what can you expect at this price point? Yeah. But again, wonderful budget-friendly pick. We've got another budget-friendly pick that just missed the cut. Check the link in our description for our article to see that one. You might like that one a little bit more.
Oh, yes.
But the final bag, Ash, is by who?
Well, we of course had to include this one by Clegg.
If you saw our last video from a couple years ago, you will notice that it looks very familiar. This is my personal weekender bag. This is the one after we tested all of the ones from last time, years and years ago, I ended up buying because it is so delicious. Is the best way to use Ashley's words, the best way to describe this bag. The leather is so soft.
Super soft pebbled leather. Oh yes.
It's a joy to use, frankly. The design is really unique. You really don't see many bags like this. It's got a really wonderful little lip right there, so it kind of hides the zipper a little bit. And it's just well done all around. And what doesn't it have?
No metal feet.
No metal feet, so it met that requirement. And what does it include, Ash, that we are huge fans of?
We're huge fans. Of course, leather strap. Super simple. The hardware is great. The
interior is lined beautifully, and you have options for lining it as well if you want to customize.
I mean, this is a piece though that is definitely an investment. It is a buy it for life piece. Yeah, it's expensive, but you're paying for quality.
So fellas, like we said before, there are a couple that just missed the mark, but I think you should still know about them. They're linked in the description in our article below, so definitely check it out. And let us know which of these three was your favorite weekender bag, or if you've got alternatives, let us know. We're always happy to see new things that maybe we missed somehow in our travels. Guys, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Bye.